Hello everyone, my name is Shubhojit Dotto and I am from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology, Kolkata. And today I am going to be explaining the topic multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. This is a part of chapter 2 of the topic fractions and decimals, and this is for class 7 mathematics. I am an intern at Intellify. In case you have any query, you can log on to www.intellify.in. So let's look at the concept of multiplication of fraction by both pictorial representation and mathematical procedures. Over here we can see that this is 1/4 portion of an entire circle or a quadrant. Now if we add another equivalent portion, we can see how these two add up to half of the circle. Now we know multiplication means repetitive addition. So by adding 1/4 two times, we get half a circle. So we can say 1/4 into 2 equals to half, as we can see. Now let's look at the mathematical procedure. 1/4 plus 1/4 can be written as 2 times 1/4. Now over here, the whole number gets multiplied with the numerator. Nothing happens to the denominator. Now we get 2/4. Now we reduce this fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same value. We can see that both of them are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 1/2 or half. Now there is an alternative process. We could have reduced this before any multiplication with the numerator. So we can divide the whole number with the denominator by 2 and get 1 over here and 2 over here by previous calculation. Now we can multiply the numerators. So 1 into 1 makes 1 and the denominator is unchanged. So 1/2 like before. This process is much easier as it reduces the amount of calculation needed to be done. एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं यहाँ पे. इफ वी ऐड 2/3 3 टाइम्स, मतलब यहाँ पे जो पोर्शन दिख रहे हैं सारे 2/3 है, यानी कि ये जो पोर्शंस है इन तीनों को एक साथ ऐड करने से वी गेट 2 सर्कल्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ वन अनदर. हमें 2 सर्कल्स मिलता है एक के ऊपर एक. सो 2/3 into 3 gives us 2 circles. Let us again see the mathematical approach. Adding 2/3 3 times basically means 3 into 2/3. The whole number is again multiplied with the numerator, and remember multiplication happens between the numerators. So 3 into 2 is 6, so we get 6/3. Like before, we can see that both the numerator and the denominator can be divided by a number that is 3 over here. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 2/1, or we can simply write it as 2. Again, alternatively, हम पहले डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिवीजन कर सकते हैं, पर याद रहे डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिवीजन होता है विद द होल नंबर और मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द न्यूमरेटर. So 3 into 1 is 3, so we can write 1 and 1 over here. Now multiplying 1 into 2 gives us 2, like before. Now like I've said before, the alternative method saves a lot of calculation as you are reducing down the values into small numbers. Now here are some short examples for you. 2/7 into 6. So first we check if we are able to reduce the denominator. 6 and 7 are co-prime, so they basically can't be reduced any further. So let's now go ahead with multiplying the numerator. 6 into 2 is 12, so the answer is 12/7. We can represent it in a mixed fraction which is 1 5/7. Another example over here, 3 into 5 1/5. So we need to first turn this mixed fraction to improper fraction, क्योंकि mixed fraction form में हम लोग इसे multiply नहीं कर सकते. So 5 1/5 is 5 into 5 is 25 plus 1 26/5. Now once again checking if we can reduce the denominators and the whole number. So we have 3 and 5, so we can't reduce it any further. Going ahead with the multiplication, 3 into 26 is 78/5. Representing it in a mixed fraction, we get 15 3/5. So here's one last example, 20 into 4/5. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं the denominators and the whole number can be reduced. So 20 and 5 are both divisible by 5, we know that. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 5 into 1 is 5. Now we get 4 into 4 by 1. So now multiplying the numerators, 4 into 4 is 16 by 1. So basically 16 is the answer. Now let us learn the concept of the operator of. We all have heard phrases like half of something. For example, half of 50 items, half of the cake, etc. जिनका मतलब हम समझ सकते हैं. जैसे half of 50 is 25, half of 2 is 1. हमें पता है ये. And the other things like 2 times of 20 and 1/3 of the prize money, etc. So in mathematical terms, of actually means to multiply. So while solving the problem, we replace of with the multiplication operator. मतलब यहाँ of के जगह हम multiplication का sign देते हैं. So half of 50 items means 1/2 into 50. And we can easily divide 50 by 2, that is 25. Now 1/3 of 1000 is 1/3 into 1000, which is 1000 by 3. They can't be reduced, which can be written as 333 1/3. Here are some more examples working with the of operator. So 2 by 7 of 49 means 2 by 7 into 49, which can be easily solved. We can see that we can perform reductions with the denominator. So 7 into 7 is 49 and 7 into 1 is 7. So we have 2 into 7 in the numerator, which is 14. The second problem here is 4 by 5 of 100. यानी कि 4 by 5 into 100. तो 100 और 5 के बीच डिविजन हो सकता है. 20 into 5 is 100 and 5 into 1 is 5. So we have 4 into 20 by 1, that is 80. That is the answer. And the last problem is 3 1 by 4 of 12, which can be written as 13 by 4 into 12. So we are replacing the of here and the mixed fraction 3 1 by 4 with 13 by 4. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. So we have 13 by 1 into 3, that is 39 by 1, which is 39. That's the answer. That's the end of the discussion. I hope you understood this topic. If you didn't, you can visit our website and post your query there to get it solved by our instructors. Thank you for watching.